मौज कर दी।
I avoid to buy things from outside. So I'm gonna make 2 chapati and that's all for me. That's more than enough. This tea bag was gifted by Aditi, my classmate, my friend. So we're gonna have tea. We usually don't have any tea and coffee. Usually I don't. But today and day before as well I had it because it's so good. Like the aroma is so good. It is Snowball hot cocoa. So it's so nice. I like it.
You're saying hi to me or the camera?
I'm saying hi to camera and to you.
It's like the one.
How was the tea?
Which tea? You are having tea, I'm not having anything.
But you had tea before.
No, I didn't have any tea.
Everyone knows.
Who knows?
Everyone
Whoever
knows
knows.
already because
No.
I have shown them in the camera that I am making tea for you. How was it? How was it?
Cutie.
Control.
Cutie.
I was making tea for you, no?
No?
I served it to you.
Yes, you served it just.
Everything is sorted. I have done all the work, cleaned the dishes, had tea, packed my lunch, and now it's time to get ready. And I'm gonna wear this shirt because it's a kind of summer here, but not that summery. So inside I wear something which is like cotton and which will give me summer vibe.
कहना क्या चाहते हो?
And then the basic jean because that's go with everything else. So I'm gonna get ready with you. And मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है रेडी होने में because what I'm gonna do, मैंने सिर्फ like moisturizer लगाया. Then I'm gonna add some basic tint. थोड़ा सा गाल कर लेने चाहिए so that सफेद पे थोड़ा सा वैसे कलर आ जाता है लाइक है ना.
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
लिपस्टिक तो वैसे भी खाई जाती है तो इसलिए मैं लिपस्टिक लगाती हूँ क्योंकि
समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
क्यों ही वेस्ट करना. तो लिप लाइनर वर्क्स फॉर मी. I'm gonna put my favorite Vaseline. Here we go. I am late again. Like it's 38 I think and it's gonna take 20 minutes to reach there. My bag is packed and we cannot forget umbrella today because it's gonna be showering whole day. So all done, all ready, and let's go with me. I need to literally run because it's just like 10 minutes left and I'm late. So just run with me. The class where I'm going is like 10 minutes far from here and still I'm rushing. There are people in front of me, they are from my class only, so okay, I'm not the only one. Although there are 8 minutes left, so I might reach on time. This is the library, my favorite place to come, and it is so quiet, beautiful place. And today is a sunny day, kind of. This guy, the camera shy guy, but इसने गलत बंदे से दोस्ती कर ली, so he is on the camera all the time now.
Which will be multiple muscle fibres, but in a ratio particularly much, we're not producing much NADH.
So we get breaks as well in between. So it is a kind of break where we are talking nonsense. क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा brainstorming था ये session, like इसमें पूरा biochemistry दोबारा से आ गया है. All biochemistry all in our head all over again. Electron transport chain and stuff. And there is like regulation of exercise metabolism, which is gonna be the next topic. And then there will be a full break of an hour. So we are going for the lunch, and there are some people who are just making your life worse by reminding you about the draft submission and the submissions, and they are behind me only. Yes, they are trying to be in the video, but no guys, no, I'm not gonna show you those people who put more negativity around. See, I don't want any truth. Like he did, like I am going for lunch. I want some good hormones, but he is just giving me cortisol right now. So I'm not happy. This guy, this Murtaza guy,
He's giving you reality check.
no, I don't want reality check. He is just reminding me the draft submission and everything. Like we
So
just
it's
came
actually
in the
good. I'm telling you,
third-
you had no idea about the dates of the
I
semester.
have an idea, but I don't want to put pressure on my head that it's coming.
She doesn't want to remember
Seven,
it.
yes, I don't want to remember it. This
But I
is
will
like
make
a
you
bad
remember
memory.
it so that you do your work on
You
time.
go. He went to London. He was enjoying all over the time. Last week he
You
didn't even
also went
came
to
for
London,
the
madam.
class. No, he didn't even came for the class, and now he is reminding me the draft submission date.
मजा आया.
When I was studying in the library.
Hello,
oh
madam.
my God! No, this is not done. This Murtaza is not done.
फंस गया.
To watch the match,
Watch नहीं होता, watch होता है.
मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत.
Pakistan and England.
England and we lost.
And obviously,
भाई
everyone
देखो,
knows.
हमारी-
Everyone knows.
देखो, मुझे
पाकिस्तान के साथ क्या हुआ होगा?
देखो मुझे
सबर करो.
पाकिस्तान हारी bro, हारी.
देखो मुझे
He's so
अपनी टीम
happy
से
see.
कोई उम्मीद नहीं है, लेकिन मैं
See, they will support. They won't say that, improve your performance, do something good.
मेरी तो सुनेंगे.
It's
मेरी तो सुनेंगे. मैं उनका हेड फिजियो लगा
Yes, you can. Obviously, you can be your their
मैं
physio.
जाऊंगा जाके बाबर आजम
बहुत तेज हो रहा है.
But they will never accept
क्योंकि
the
निरुपमा ने
defeat.
कहा है.
They will never.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Our beautiful student center. There is the area to sit down and chill, relax. There is a student support center. It's all beautiful, quiet. The student support area where you can just come for any kind of query and they're gonna help you for sure. And it's all a sunny day outside. My lunch got finished and we are going back to the second part of the class. This is the engineering building, which looks so nice. So this is the Foster building and there is Aston Pharmacy. For the GP referral and stuff for UCLan student, you don't have to go anywhere else. There is a GP center over there, NHS center, and the pharmacy is also here, and they are so quick. So yeah, you will get all the information about how to register in the GP and everything. Over there, there are scanner and stuff. And we're going to the class.
There's Bradley Wiggins in a track position. What we can see here, he's got fairly decent size.
The class has got finished and I have finished one podcast recording as well, which is gonna be posted on the Native Physio YouTube channel soon, I think. So yeah, everything is done now and I'm going back to my home. We're gonna cook something, have something, then gonna do some assignment stuff because yeah, as you know, Murtaza has given me a lot of tension about that too. Best thing about today was this chocolate which was gifted by my classmate because I helped her in some HMRC stuff about tax deduction and stuff. So she has gifted me this whole big chocolate and I'm so happy to help such people who gift. So sweet thing, you know. So sweet of her. Do like, share, comment in my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't till yet.